क्या कर रहे हो? सब्सक्राइब का बटन दबा दो प्लीज, और घंटा भी दबा दो। ओके बाय।
To make this video, you will need an app called Kinemaster. It is freely available in the Play Store. Go ahead and download it. Then click on the plus icon right here. Then click on the media option to choose the video which we are going to make. Then click on this arrow mark. Then stretch the video like this with your two fingers, and then click on this play option. So here I have left my shirt. Then click on the video. Then after that click on the scissor option. Then click split and play ahead, and just scroll this video like this until you get the second one to be stretched and left. So here I have stretched my shirt, here I have left. So here again I am clicking on the split and play ahead. Then after that third clip. So here I have stretched my shirt, here I left. So here I left. So click on the split and play ahead again, and this is the last one, I think so. Here I have left. So click and play ahead, and that's it. Click on the right. Next. Then click on the layer option, click on the media option, and again select the same video as a layer. Then go and click on the alpha opacity and reduce that. Then the layer video, then click on the layer video and then match that video to the video. So here I think it is matching. Then click on the chroma key option, enable it, and here choose the blue color. Here I am choosing the blue color, and click on the right option. Then click on the play. Okay. Again click on the layer button, then alpha opacity, click on alpha opacity, increase that alpha opacity and click OK. And this one is the first video, click on that and click color filter. Then apply this first one color filter, and the color will change automatically. And then click on the color adjustment. Here you can adjust the color, how many colors, like that, how many dark or white you will need. I think this is the best color. Okay, so enough. Here I have adjusted. Click on the OK. See, here is the first video. Yeah, this is the second clip, and second clip again go on the color filter, then second select this one, so it will change the color to the green. This is the third clip. Again click on color filters, go and click on this red dot. It will turn your color shirt into orange one, and here you can see the hair color. So to adjust that, reduce the color and increase the contrast, I think. This is the last clip, and take again click on the color filter. You want to apply another color. Here available fill bunch of colors. This is the red color, this is the blue color. So click on color adjustment and adjust the color. This much is okay for me. Enough. and click on the right. Say it is from right, and that's it. Play ahead. Green color, then orange color, then this is the red, and this is last one, and then click on the share option, then select which quality, how much quality do you want, and here is the frame rate. I always keep this frame rate at 30 and click on the export. And thanks for watching. Bye guys, see you in another video.